Hey there, adventure seekers! Are you ready to uncover the mysteries of the tropical jungles? Imagine yourself surrounded by the lush greenery, the symphony of exotic birds, and the thrill of discovering untrodden paths. Let's dive into this wild adventure. First off, tropical jungles are home to an incredible array of biodiversity. Did you know that the Amazon rainforest alone houses about 10% of all the known species on Earth? That's right, from the tiniest insects to the majestic jaguars, these jungles are the heartbeat of our planet's ecosystem. Now, before you pack your bags, let's talk about what you need. The essentials: sturdy hiking boots, a reliable map, and plenty of water. Don't forget insect repellent and a good first aid kit. Safety first, always. One of the most awe-inspiring aspects of the jungle is its plant life. Take the giant kapok tree, for instance. Towering up to 200 feet, it's like the skyscraper of the jungle. And let's not forget the beautiful but deadly flora, like the poison dart frog's habitat. These tiny critters are stunning to look at, but their skin secretes toxins that local tribes use for hunting. Speaking of tribes, the indigenous people of these jungles have incredible knowledge of their environment. Their traditions and survival skills are passed down through generations. If you ever get the chance, learning from them can be a life-changing experience. Let's not miss the sounds of the jungle. At dawn, the forest comes alive with a chorus of birds, monkeys, and insects. Each sound tells a story, like the howler monkeys marking their territory or the cacophony of cicadas that signal an impending rain. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the hidden gems? Waterfalls. Imagine stumbling upon a secluded waterfall, taking a refreshing dip in its crystal clear pool. It's pure magic. And caves? Some jungles hide ancient caves adorned with stunning stalactites and stalagmites. Exploring a jungle isn't just about the sights and sounds. It's about the thrill of the unknown. It's about pushing your limits and embracing the wild. But remember, respect the jungle, leave no trace, and always be mindful of the delicate balance of this incredible ecosystem. So are you ready to embark on your tropical jungle adventure? Get out there, explore, and let the jungle reveal its secrets to you. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. End with watermark, World.